Guys, I wanted to give you guys just a little bit more information on something that I teach for different kinds of percent problems. I'm going to share the whiteboard here and kind of write something up here for you. So, when you have 15% of something, a lot of times what we would do is we would change this to a decimal because decimals are obviously easier to work with than percents. And then, we normally multiply. So let's say if a shirt's 15% off, we would multiply that, let's say the shirt is $100. All right, so what we would do is we would change this percent to a decimal. The decimal is here, is understood as here, and we would move it 2 places to the left. So this will be 0.15. And then what we would end up doing is multiplying by 100 and get that amount, right? So there is another little formula besides the videos that I share that is called is over of equals the percent over 100, okay? And you can use this formula to help you solve some of your problems. And how we would solve this is we would end up cross multiplying and solve it that way, okay? So let's look at one of your problems on your sheet here, your percent problems. Oops. Here's one of your problems, okay? Which I don't know. Let's see, these are tip problems. Okay, so like number 9 through 14, these are some good problems that you would use the form for. So let's do number 9. 38 is what percent of 56? All right, 38 is, what's the wording on that? 38 is what percent of 56? Okay, this is number 9. I'm doing an example of number 9. 38 is what percent? So we're looking for the percent. So we're looking for this spot, okay? We're looking for the percent, and we know that's over 100, right? Percents are always out of 100. And of 56, so the 56 is going to go on the bottom, and then 38 is going to go on top. So you look at the wording here and where the words go with the numbers. And then this is an easy, simple problem. We do 38 times 100, which we know is 3,800. So 38 times 100 equals 56 times some number x, right? I'm going to let x be your percent here. And then we know this is 3,800. And then how do I solve for x? Well, these are being multiplied. So to get rid of it, we divide. And so then you can take your nice little calculator and you put 3,800 divided by 56. And you should get 67 point, what did it say around the instructions? Let's see. Nope, it doesn't say round. Okay. So we'll just round 2 decimal places. So 67.86, okay? And then let's do one of these sales tax problems. So Miss Acton spent $205.60 at Target. Its sales tax is 6%. What is her final bill? So you guys should already be doing this type of stuff in real life. This is 205.60 with a 6% sales tax. So because it's a tax, we know that her amount is going to go up, right? So first thing we need to do is find out, okay, how much is this 6% sales tax of this? So again, how do we do percents? We change it to a decimal, so move it 2 places. So this will be times 0.06. And take your nice calculator, 205.60 times 0.06. That's going to be a $12.33. That's the sales tax that you're going to pay. And if we want to find the total amount, now if it asks you for how much tax you have to pay, you would say $12.34, right? If it asks you for the total amount, well, we would take the price that we owe and we would add the sales tax to it. If it's a discount, we would subtract that amount. So 205.60 plus 12.336 is going to give us 217, and I'm going to round it 2 decimal places, 94. So $217.94. If you guys have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be happy to help you on some more of this. And make sure you show your work for when you turn in your assignment, so that way I can see where you're making some errors.